boom clap, tiny music. Wake up! It's a brand new day. Are you ready for school? Let's move! The sun is peeking through the blind. Leave the sleepy dreams behind. Splash some water on your face.
Wake up at a happy pace.
Shirt goes over, pants go on. Now the sleepy feeling's gone. Zip the zipper button tight.
You are looking cool and bright.
Ready, set, let's go to school. Being ready is so cool. One step, two steps out the door. Learning, playing, and much more. Hip, hip, hooray! Cereal crunching in the bowl.
Crunch!
Yummy breakfast is the goal. Milk and fruit to make you strong. Singing as we move along. Grab your lunchbox, grab your book. Give your backpack one last look.
Click!
Everything is in its place with a smile upon your face. Ready, set, let's go to school. Being ready is so cool. One step, two steps out the door. Learning, playing, and much. Shoes on left, shoes on right. Tie the laces nice and tight. Grab your coat and wave goodbye underneath the big blue sky. We are walking, we are fast. School day fun is here at last.
Almost there.
Can you see the gate?